Good morning, saplings. Today we're going to learn another sound. R. R. Excellent, nice and clear. R. With this sound, there are some green words. Hard. Part. Start. Excellent. Let's have a look at the sound card. What can you see? That's right, saplings. There is a red car, and the phrase to go with this sound is start the car. Can you see it? Excellent. Start the car. Brilliant, saplings. Let's have a look at some more words that go with this sound. Start, we've already had. Spark. Smart. Bar. Excellent, saplings. Start the car. Let's have a look at the sound. Once again, it's two letters, one sound. The A and the And then the letter names are A and the R to make the R sound. Start the car, well done. R. Start the car. R. Well done. Going to hide it, saplings. And when you say, you know what to do, don't you? That's right, saplings. You're going to touch your nose. Are we ready? Nice and clear then. Keep going. Well done. A little bit faster. Excellent, saplings. Well done, saplings. Our focus sound is R. Just before we go on, we're going to have a team celebration and we're going to do the roller coaster wave. Let's do it together. Roller coaster wave. What time is it? It's time to Fred. Fred's on my shoulder. So we're going to have a look at this sound. Start. Your turn. Excellent, saplings. Part. Well done, saplings. Hard. Let's do this one again. Hard. Well done. Time for a challenge now, saplings. We're going to fret in our head and then we're going to push it forward to say the sound. So, excellent, saplings. Start. Part. Hard. Well done, saplings. I'm super proud of you. Time to write. Remind me, what's our focus sound today? R. That's right. Handwriting skill. Don't forget to say it. Broken line, solid line, and broken line. Which two letters make our sound? Saplings. Well done. The R sound. The A and the R. Well done. So we're going to do that in between the solid lines. The A and the R. Don't forget to add in a finger space the A and the R. And then, don't forget to practice that on one of the pages in your green book. And then we're going to do a challenge, sapling. So from the words that we've just been listening to and saying, we're going to choose one of them. So let's choose this one, pat. Hide your fingers, think of the sounds. That's right, saplings, 3 sounds. Let's pinch them. P, A, T. Excellent. Give you a nod for the word, pat. Let's say the sound, P, A, T. What's the first sound that you can hear, saplings? That's right. P. Then, our focus sound, R. And then the final sound, t. Well done. Pat. Let's read it now. P-A-T. Pat. Well done, saplings. Hope you enjoyed that. Don't forget to do the challenge and the handwriting practice. Bye.